Mastering Professional Yoga at Home, a Self-Guided Journey. Welcome to our guide on mastering the art of yoga at home without the need for a professional trainer. Embracing yoga can transform your mind, body, and soul, and we are here to show you how. Firstly, it's essential to dedicate a quiet and comfortable space for your practice. This area should be free of distractions, allowing you to focus fully on your yoga session. A peaceful environment is key to a successful practice. Before you start, ensure you have the necessary equipment. A yoga mat, comfortable clothing, and perhaps a yoga block or strap can enhance your practice. These tools aid in performing poses accurately and safely. Begin with basic research. Understand the different styles of yoga and decide which one resonates with your goals. Whether it's hatha for beginners or vinyas for a more dynamic practice, choosing the right style is crucial. Create a consistent schedule. Practicing yoga at the same time each day establishes a routine, making it easier to stick to your practice. Consistency is more important than duration, especially in the beginning. Start with beginner poses and gradually progress to more advanced ones. It's important to listen to your body and not rush the process. Mastering the basics creates a solid foundation for your practice. Integrate online resources thoughtfully. There are countless free and paid yoga classes available online. These can guide you through your practice, offering the expertise of a trainer in a flexible format. Focus on your breath. Breath control, or pranayama, is a fundamental aspect of yoga. It connects your body and mind, enhancing the benefits of your practice. Integrating mindful breathing can significantly improve your experience. Don't skip the warm-up. Preparing your body with gentle stretches or a sun salutation sequence reduces the risk of injury. It also helps to increase flexibility and performance in your practice. Incorporate meditation and mindfulness into your routine. Ending your session with meditation can enhance the mental benefits of yoga, promoting relaxation and clarity. This holistic approach nurtures both your mind and body. Celebrate your progress. Every session brings you closer to your goals, whether it's improved flexibility, strength, or mental well-being. Acknowledging your achievements, no matter how small, is vital for motivation. Lastly, remember that patience is key. Progress in yoga is not linear and differs for everyone. Embrace your unique journey and enjoy the process of exploring yoga at home professionally, without the need for a trainer.